In my first video I said these words. In 4 months I drove over 6,000 kilometers, and one day I set my personal record, 320 kilometers in 40 hours. It was very positive experience. I want to repeat it in the future, maybe even longer distances. I mean that. 320 kilometers in 40 hours was very memorable experience. I was using the pedals at the time. Years have passed since then, and the long-awaited moment has come to go on the road again and smash my 320 kilometers daily record. This time on a second bike, I recommend one which has aerodynamics and is more comfortable. And I'm using only hand throttle. I'm taking 2 batteries with total weight of 24 kilos, which is quite heavy. The total capacity is 4 kilowatts plus, and I plan to ride it on a single charge. I started the journey quite optimistically and drove very fast at the beginning. And then the wind started to pick up and I had to lower my average speed. It's also a good idea to take breaks from time to time, for example to stretch your legs. The place I found was absolutely fantastic. It's a dam at the Jägala Waterfall, which I explored curiously. 10 kilometers away from there, you simply can't miss exploring the seafront.
I was walking down the street and you were there staring at me, standing there as if we should meet, and I knew with you it'd be easy. I've touched your soul and then I knew you'd run away.
It was one of the only places where going 25 kilometers per hour on the straight road. Power consumption was 400 to 500 watts per hour, which is extremely high, just ridiculous. Fortunately, this strange road come to an end, and from then on the power consumption went back to normal.
Staring at me, standing there as if we should meet, and I knew with you.
125 kilometers and time for a break and a small snack. It was quite warm, summery weather, but if you drive for hours, even quite warm clothes, it can get chilly, so it was time to change gloves for some winter gloves. Quite a dangerous uncovered manhole. I've seen them in the city and reported one to authorities, and they even close it. One way back there was a breeze from the rear and helped me to increase the average speed.
Walking down the street and you were there staring at me, standing there as if we should meet, and I knew with you it'd be easy. I've touched your soul and then I knew you'd run away with me. I'm in your thoughts and all you want is to lay down with me.
Of course, that they had to do small repair on the inner tube. The tire can also repair without taking the wheel off. In fact, doing in this way saves having to adjust your brakes afterward. The glass was completely inside the outer tube. This fine-pointed pliers are godsend for this job. almost the finish line, and I broke my own record. Some statistics. The total distance was 345 kilometers. The average speed was exactly 30 kilometers per hour, and both the batteries were almost flat. Unfortunately, I have lost the exact current consumption information, but it was somewhere around 4 kilowatts. A very memorable day, and certainly not the last record attempt for me. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.